I'm gonna make arroz con leche, which is rice pudding, which is one of my favorite desserts. And there's so many ways to make it, but today I'm gonna give it a little bit of a tropical spin. I'm gonna add white rice, and this is just long grain white rice. Then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add 4 cups of whole milk. I got all my ingredients at Kroger. And then to give it this tropical spin, I'm gonna add coconut cream. So traditionally you would have used sweetened condensed milk, but the coconut cream has this intense coconut aroma and flavor, which I love in arroz con leche. So I'm gonna add about 3/4 cups. You can see how shiny it is. So I'm gonna add 1 full star anise, drop it in there. And then I'm gonna add about a 1-inch piece of the true canela or Mexican cinnamon, and some salt. And then I'm just gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the milky liquid has thickened. And the last thing, I'm gonna add the rind of an orange. And you wanna make sure that you're cutting all the rind, but you don't wanna get a lot of the white part. If you don't have time to make your arroz con leche from scratch at home, you can get Kroger Mercado arroz con leche. It is yum. My rice has cooked and the liquid has really thickened. I'm gonna add vanilla extract and some raisins. I love raisins in my rice pudding, in my arroz con leche, but if you want to skip it, you can skip it. And then just give it a stir, and then that's it. As it cools, it's gonna thicken a lot more. Some people love to eat the rice pudding out of the pot, simmering hot. That would be me. Some people love eating it room temperature. That would be me too. Some people love to eat the rice pudding once it has cooled down and even chilled in the refrigerator, which you can do too. You can serve the rice pudding in small ramekins, cover it, leave it in the refrigerator, and then just eat it cold. I'm gonna eat it hot out of the pot. Arroz con leche can be an any-day dessert or something special. So you can dress it up or dress it down. I'm gonna add some whipped cream and some diced mango. I have some nice fresh chunks, and this makes it even more tropical. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon on top. That will be a yum. This is something that really screams tender love and care.